Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep the door real, I'm a prophetess. Okay, well, at least you took an L off your butt. Bitches wanna go bite me. On the beat, bite me. Bite me. On the beat, bite. Bitches wanna go bite me. On the beat, bite me. Bite me. Come on, bitch. Bitches wanna beat, bite me. On the beat, bite me. On the beat, bite me. On the beat, bite me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tara Shay, and today I'm here with a hair review.
What is that?
Megalook. I'm gonna be honest, I was a little worried because y'all know this came from China and the whole coronavirus thing, but I prayed over it and I know it had to get cleared or whatever for them to even send it out, so I know it's all good. And it took, how many days did it take? Hold on. I paid for it on the 13th of February. On the 14th, it shipped. Technically, it took 6 days. So yeah, I don't think that's bad considering everything that's happening right now. Like, thank you. Clear my package, please. Make sure it's safe. Yeah. Megalook hair. I'm not gonna lie, I did kind of sterilize the box before. I'm sorry, I get paranoid and I don't got time. So when you open the box, by the way, I already opened it. Yeah, I was nosy, I just had to see. The hair came in on this, the net bag. But yeah, we opened the box. I got this little head wrap thing. I was hoping I got one of these. It's real cute. Probably gonna watch that too. But just being safe, you know. Got some super light wig caps. I've always wanted one of these, y'all. The edge brush and comb. The edge brush, that's so cute. And I got an elastic band. The wig comes with clips that you could put this on. Like, you don't gotta sew it down or anything, you just clip it. That's nice. Here is the hair. So I got a 360, what? I got a 360 frontal wig, 22 inches body wave. So it's the body wave. Hecka soft. Yes, ma'am. And this is the inside. You do not get a lot of parting space. So it's 4 inches, I believe. You get 4 combs. And here's the clips for the elastic band. It's the lace. Oh, and I believe it looks pre-plucked to me. I would pluck it more. Yeah, it's pre-plucked, but I would pluck it more. Definitely. I wanted to bleach the knots, but I have not had time to go get some bleach. So what I'm gonna have to do is do the spray, the Sally Hansen legs tanning spray, whatever that is. I have to do that. I'm definitely washing this hair. We're washing this hair this week. So this pattern will be lost. Hair is super soft and bouncy. Okay, we just go try it on because I really wanted to see how it looks in its natural state. Switch to me having the wig on. This is just, it's like pre-plucked like this much. Now that it's on my head. But I'm not the best at plucking, but I've seen like thousands of videos on it and I think I got it. So this is how the hair looks. Ooh. This is so pretty. Oh, it's hot here. I got heat on. But yeah, she's cute. Real cute. This is how it looks. I gotta go wash it. Then I gotta plug it. I hate plugging. But yeah, guys. Also, by the way, I got this from their website. They also have a store on AliExpress and Amazon. But their website was having a sale, a Valentine's Day sale. So the original price was $157, but they had 12% off and it was $139. So I was like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it now. I'm gonna go wash the hair. I don't know if I can set up showing y'all how I pluck it, but we'll see. Okay guys, I washed the hair. This is how much shedding came. I plucked the hair and this is how much hair I plucked out. I'm probably gonna pluck some more when I install it on my head, because I don't think, you know, I did the best job. But this is how much hair I plucked out. Okay, and now I'm just about to go over, spray the knots with the Sally Hansen hairbrush. Legs, medium glow. Y'all don't mind my hands. Ew, they look ratchet right now. But yeah. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Now I'm gonna spray with the Got To Be glued, just to seal that in. And then I'm just gonna blow dry, and I'll see you guys when the hair is dry as well. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Ships time to dip. It's when it looks like me. On the beat, bite me, bite me.